Windows 7 was the most successful Microsoft product. Change my mind. In 2009, Windows 7 was released as the new Windows version after Windows Vista. And according to Microsoft when they released Vista,
The wow starts now.
after the huge failure of Vista, Microsoft started developing a new version of Windows, Windows 7. If you were born in 2000 to 2009, you may know this operating system as your childhood. We all know the success of it, so I will be quick. Let's fast forward to January 2020, when support for Windows 7 ended. Windows 7 end of life was something sad for almost everyone who loved this operating system, especially businesses. Microsoft offered extended but paid just to get their applications for a new release of Windows. But, as a home user, it would be better to avoid using this operating system, because there are no more new security updates, which means you can easily get hacked. As mentioned before, Microsoft recommends upgrading to Windows 8.1. So, in today's video, we are going to be installing Windows 7 build 6801. Check this epic boot animation. It looks very good, like the updating registry settings. So, first impressions, the start menu and the Windows 7 watermark. As we saw, the UB was changed and the beta start screen background with the C was added. Let's check the control panel. And here we have the new personalization menu and the new arrow. Let's see. This is a better arrow. The basic things are these, I think. If I forgot something, tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.